Looking for a high protein breakfast using what you already have in your fridge? Maybe you really want to get spinach into your diet, but drinking it or eating it as a salad is not an option? Let's be deliciously creative in the quick spin ham egg breakfast recipe. Let's go. Let's start with some butter. Milk. 4 tablespoons of butter, or just like half of the one cup. A little bit translucent here. I think it's gonna stay that crunchiness. And I'm gonna add, I found a little ham. I slice it really thin. I do break some eggs. I'm gonna use those later. I'm gonna add some my chopped peppers. I'm gonna keep it crunchy. I know that's a lot of spinach, but I don't want it to go bad. I'm taking the yellow ones out. Look how high that was, and now once it's wilted, see how tiny that looks. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, that. Let's try it together. Get a lot of the spinach and the onions. So now let's make some eggs. I'm gonna put this in the microwave and just cover it so it stays warm and ready for our eggs. Look at this. See how it looks presented in a bowl or on a plate. I have some white plate, so let's see. Oh, see that juiciness at the bottom there? If you don't have ham, you can use some spam, I think, even some hot dog. If you slice it really nice, some sausage, you slice it really thin. It just adds that color to it. That juice, that butter. Let's see. I'll make like a well for that, for the eggs. Right in the middle.
the eggs. Added that egg right in the middle there. Oh my gosh. What's your favorite presentation? The bowl or the plate? This is how it is right now.